In this video, I will show you all the different fees that you have when leverage trading on the platform KuCoin. We will take a look at what fees there are, how high they are. I will show you some examples and their comparison to other exchanges. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on the platform KuCoin, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you can get up to $700 of bonus, which you can easily pick up. You just need to enter your details right here, and you can create your account and claim the best rewards that are possible on KuCoin. All right, so let's jump right into the futures fees. As you can see, they have different levels depending on how much KuCoin token you hold or how much you've traded in the past 30 days. The fees can even get lower, but for this video, let's focus on the first level in which you start off. So first of all, there is the maker fee of 0.02%. Maker fee means that this fee is always important for you if you're using a limit order. So when trading, you have the option to select limit right here. Then you can set a certain price at which you want the order to be executed. So let's say you say, for example, at $40,000 or something, only if $40,000 is reached, the price goes down, then your order will be executed, and then you will have the maker fee. On the other hand, there's also the taker fee, which is a little bit higher at 0.06%. And this fee will always happen if you're using a market order. So if instead of choosing a limit order right here, you choose a market order, then you cannot type in any price because then the order will be executed immediately at the current market price right now. Most of the time, I actually use a market order. The downside is that the fee is a little bit higher, although it's still pretty low. But of course, on the other hand, the good thing about it is that you will have a guaranteed execution immediately at the current market price. All right, so let's take a look at this comparison with other exchanges. You can see KuCoin right here with the 0.02% maker fee and the 0.06% taker fee. I also calculated an average of 0.04% for you. And for example, if you open a $10,000 position, you would have to pay a fee of $4. As you can also see, this fee is pretty comparable to pretty much almost any other exchange. There's really not that big of a difference. And I also have to say that 0.04% is definitely still a really low fee. I mean, you know, the Bitcoin price can move up or down a few percent within a day. So 0.04% definitely doesn't really make that big of a difference. For example, if we have a $10,000 long position and the price only moves up 1 single percent, we would make $100 of profit. So these $4 don't really change anything. Also, another fee that you have is the so-called funding fee right here, which you can always see right here. This can be positive or negative. If it's positive, you would have to pay it when you're using a long position, and you would actually get it credited if you have a short position. On the other hand, if it's a negative value right here, then you would have to pay it as a short position and you would be credited that amount if you're using a long position. So it's just a funding switch depending on how many people are currently going long and short. It's important to know that this only occurs when this timer right here reaches 0 and you have a position opened at that time. So if I open a position before that timer reaches 0 and I close it before, it doesn't really matter at all to me. And this timer actually has an interval of 8 hours. So every 8 hours, this goes to 0 and then it goes back up to 8 hours. And then we have all the fees covered on KuCoin. Don't forget to create an account on KuCoin by using a link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $700 of welcome bonus that you can easily pick up. Also, if you need other tutorials on KuCoin, you can check out my YouTube channel. I have many more tutorials on how to deposit or how to trade on here. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.